Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to create a Next.js application and run it. Now to run this Next.js application, you need to have Node.js installed. So if you do not have it, then you can go and install Node.js first. You can have a look at the video, my previous videos on how to install Node.js. I will link them in the description and add card on your top right hand corner as well. Now let's get started. So at first, let's open new Visual Studio window. Now, once I do that, I will open, or you can create a new folder. I will go to the project directory where I want to create the application. Now go inside here, create a new folder, demo, and save it. Now I'll select that folder. Now once I'm in here, I'll click on the terminal and do new terminal. And once I'm in the terminal, I will write in npm next at latest react at latest react at latest and hit enter. This will take some time to install your Next.js, React, and React DOM. So once that is installed, you can see that three files have been created: node modules, package.json, and your package.json, right? If you open package.json, it has added those three dependencies that we just installed. After that, you need to create the app directory because Next.js uses file system routing, which means the routes in your application are determined by how you structure the file. So we will not go into depth in this video. So for now, let's right click on your Explorer and create a new folder. We'll name that folder as app. Now, once you are done, inside this app folder, let's go and create layout.js, and we'll create another folder as case.js. Now inside this layout, we will write our function, simple React function, port default, and we will give this as root layout because this will be your top layout of the application. What we will do here is we will return the HTML with language English, and inside here we will define a body section, and inside this body is where your children will stay, and we will pass children in this layout. So this children basically is coming from your page.js from this same app folder. Inside this page.js as well, we'll create a new function and export function, name this as is, and we will read simple h1 and say welcome to this application, and say once you're done, now let's open package.json and add few scripts to this package.json so that we can run our Next.js application. Follow the same structure and write these scripts, and for now you will only need this dev and next dev, but you can just copy and put everything here. And once we're done with that, you just simply type in npm run. Now what this will do is it will create your dev server, and it might take some time. So once this one's complete, then you can launch your Next.js application within few lines of code and creating just few files. Now you can see that our Next.js server is starting. What you can do is you simply hover this localhost 3000 and control click on that. It will open new browser window for your next application. So that's it, guys. That's how you create and run your Next.js application within minutes and with very minimal lines of code. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.